Here is the Summer Beach journal flip through that I've been working on over the last couple of videos. So I have a scarf as a tie. I've layered the top. I don't think I actually did a video on this one, but I will. But basically I just auditioned different squares on here, and I'm sorry that I didn't get that done. I did make a dangle here, and I'm going to have a video on how to make these. I will be linking in the description below. I used a Amazon Prime shipping envelope. So this is what's inside of this. And the cover is a Dollar Tree placemat that I sewed. So if you go back to the first video, I'll walk you through it. It's really beautiful. I was very impressed. I've got lace on the edge. There is a pocket here to put stuff in. I'm still working on getting all my stuff to get together. So you got little pockets there. And it's actually a pretty good sized pocket. It's the full length. This is the first signature, and I am using Mary's prints from Value Printable over on Etsy. I'll put her link below. She did a Summer Beach theme that I fell in love with, and I'm going to try and make a couple of journals to put up on Etsy. I don't have them quite yet, but I will definitely let you know when I get there. So here is just a little journaling card that I made, a hidden paper clip. I think I have one form of a hidden paper clip in my tutorials. I'll link that one below also. This is scrapbook paper. This is a this isn't a pocket that I've just put in ephemera to fill it up. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. Let's see, I gotta think about where I'm putting stuff. Yeah, because I want it to show up. So it's got like 5 pockets. There's another one right here, but then there's also this one in the front. I've got jewels on some of the pages. I did a ruffle. Well, this is just sewn fabric on this one. Then I put a paper bag that I closed this and glued it. But you've got a pocket right there to put stuff in. Some more of Mary's beautiful prints. I did a ruffle on this one. I just took some scraps that I had that matched and coordinated, and I ruffled them as I stitched them on. A dangle that I put on there. Here's the other side of that pocket with a little belly band that the recipient can put wherever she might want. I added some pieces of trim here that go with the front for her. There's an envelope. And this is June, so it works out really well. Cancer is the zodiac sign for June, which is mine also, so I love this. I'm wanting to keep it, and this is another hidden paper clip that I've got on here. Turn it over, there's the back of it. I put this little pocket in here. I sewed around it. I got some tickets. So this is a tuck. More lace. I embossed some little craft note little bags, and then there's pockets right here with little journaling cards. Here's another, this is ephemera that I put in here, but it's also another pocket, and you have a pocket right here, one right there, and then there's pockets right here, and I've just put some coordinating little pieces that I had for the recipient, so she can kind of decorate it and have some of the stuff that I used. I sewed that. So here's the second signature. I put lace over the signature and sewed it in, so it is scrapbook paper. This is some more pockets. I really enjoyed this. I sewed around some ATC cards. I've got tags. I have a guest check that has a pocket right there. This opens up completely for a journaling spot or a flip out. Then right here I sewed some rickrack on it. I put a mandala in the center and put jewels on it, and another little dangle on it that I put for decoration. Here's a pocket, another little ATC card that came with the kit. This is scrapbook paper. This is scrapbook paper. Scrapbook paper. This is part of Mary's kit. I just sewed around it. A belly band, and I did a little cluster. And then here's the back side of that lace that was over here. And Mary does an absolute fantastic job on her printables, and they are actually very affordable. She sells them right now for $1.25, and they go, every sale goes to her animal rescue that she takes care of reservation dogs out in Arizona that are in need of a home, of kittens and cats, and she just got a little farm going on. And with their help and God, she is praying that she will have enough to be able to open up a sanctuary soon. So here's another pocket. This is scrapbook paper. This one's scrapbook. This is from a collage board that I made. A little tag. This is from Mary. I put in a dolly, some more lace, another one of Mary's. This here, the background is scrapbook paper. I did another little bag. It's got a tag, and I just stuck a little journaling card in this one. So you got two pockets there. This side I have a belly band and another journaling card. Some lace sewed down the middle. Here's another envelope that I just thought went really well with another hidden paper clip. It's more of Mary's paper, and this one here is scrapbook paper. This is scrapbook paper. So I've mixed it up. I have some scrapbook paper, and like this is Mary's printables, and she does a fantastic job again. Here is lace, not lace, a little dolly. And I also, as an added envelope, I put this in here. I dyed it. It's a mailing, like a big letter size envelope, so you can put it in the mail if you wanted to. But basically what I had done was I put a stencil on, I copy dyed it, and I fell in love with these as just in themselves. I have all kinds. I need to get them listed on my Etsy shop. Here's another hidden paper clip. So that actually fits just right in there. And then you have the back in this beautiful picture. I put some more lace here. You can see I've quilted the top. Here's the back side. And I hope that my partner enjoys it as much as I have making it. And thank you for going through the flip through video and all the videos that I put together on how to make it. I hope you have a great day, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the little button below, and thank you, and I will see you next time.